Hey guys, welcome to Tech. In today's video, I will be telling you that how you can install Python, and I will be also telling you about IDEs and from where you can download them. So let's begin today's video. So guys, first we will be downloading Python from its official website. So let's begin. We need to type Python on the search bar, and we need to go to its official website. And when we will go to download section, here we will see option. This is the latest Python version available here, so we will download it. As you can see, I have downloaded it. After downloading this, you need to install Python in your system. So now our next step will be to download a IDE. So I will be using Jupyter Notebook. So I will download Jupyter Notebook now. For that you need to install Anaconda, as you can see on the screen. Now I will go to its official website and download Anaconda, and after downloading Anaconda, the Jupyter Notebook will get automatically installed. So here you can select your system requirements, means on which byte does your system runs, and you can download. As you can see, for Windows, Mac, Linux, for all the operating system this is available. For example, I am using 64-bit PC, so I will be installing this one. After the download completes, you need to install Anaconda, and after installing Anaconda, I will proceed. Anaconda is being successfully installed. So now I will go to the start bar and type Jupyter Notebook, as you can see on the screen. And now I will open Jupyter Notebook. Now here I will go to new and select Python 3. And now you can see our shell has been opened. Now I will type one Python code. As you can see, I have wrote my first Python code and it is running successfully. There are many different IDEs available. Recently I installed Jupyter Notebook, and now I will be also telling you about different IDEs. For example, Pycharm. Pycharm is the another IDE. And here I will go to a download option. Here both the paid and the free version is available. You can see professional version is for free, and community version is pay. You can pay for it. And that's all about Pycharm. Now I will be also telling you about one more IDE, which is Visual Studio Code. This Visual Studio Code is made by Microsoft and it is being updated regularly. It is available for all three operating systems. You can easily download it.